tag your teammates in private notes in WhatsApp. Hi, my name is Ari and I'm going to show you in this video how to tag your colleagues in a private note in a conversation in WhatsApp in Sirena. Here I'm going to show you in this conversation, how to add a private note and tag your colleagues. With this symbol, you can choose between your colleagues and send a message like this one. And I'm going to show you now how the notification arrives in the desktop here and in this part. Don't forget that you need to check always if you have enabled the notifications in your Chrome in this place. Well, I hope you like the video. If you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comments and you're ready to see the next video.